it's me, Kai, and today I'm doing a reaction video to Five Nights at Freddy's 4. Yeah, you heard me. Five Nights at Freddy's 4! Oh yeah, Five Nights at Freddy's 4 trailer is out! Boom! Sorry, I overreacted. But yeah, let's just get into this, I guess. What is it that you think you see? What the?
Toothless are back. This is pretty great, huh, bud? DreamWorks presents an all-new Netflix original series.
What game do you think you're playing?
Secret to unlocking new lands. Have you ever seen anything like this, Dragon Eye? There is a whole other world out there. And a new world of dragons.
Hello? What have you brought home?
This changes.
Close the doors. Check the closet.
Dragons race to the edge.
Oh, Foxy! Watch your back. What was that? Was that Bonnie? Oh my god. Five Nights at Freddy's 4. That looks awesome. I'm definitely gonna be playing that. I'm definitely gonna be doing a playthrough on that. Okay then. What the? Look at Bonnie and look at Foxy. Very weird and plush trap. But
Hey, what's up,
yeah.
guys? Cody and Joe here. Back
Bye.
for a secret